Here behind me, we've got a 2019 Jaguar I Pace. It's sat on the ramp. As you can see, it's in bits. And the reason it's in bits is an aircon leak. Two aircon pipes that come from the compressor. Basically, the welds fail on them. There's a service bulletin from Jaguar about it, but to replace them, we have to remove the front drive motor. And to get the front drive motor out, we have to remove aircon compressor, various brackets, various structural members. We're disconnecting suspension components, drive shafts, and also subframe and steering rack have to come out. Now this car's 2019 and it's out of Jaguar warranty. Even though it's a known issue, Jaguar will not repair this free of charge if the car is older than 3 years old. So if you've got an I Pace and your aircon doesn't work, there's an alternative to the dealer. Give us a shout. Thanks for watching.